Here at UPHouse Realty, it's early in the new year, yet people all over are asking me what I think of the 2026 real estate market.
Will it be a boom year or are signs pointing to a further reset?
The answer is definitely neither.
Yet two things can be true at the same time. I don't think anyone's expecting 26 to be about boom times.
But it definitely won't be a bust. Believe it or not, we do see the market going in a slight upward direction. First, sales are positioned to tick up in a measurable way.
Not dramatically, but the meter will move forward.
This has all been certain. Second, things have been hovering at subdued levels for a while now, and between more homes coming available on the market and better interest rates, we expect activity to improve.
Yet, don't expect fireworks.
Pricing. Property prices should remain relatively flat to modestly up. More listings are going to keep home prices contained, but sellers shouldn't be panicking either.
So think sideways momentum with a gentle upward nudge, not a big dip.
Inventory should get back to feeling more normal. Yes, a lot of owners have hit the pause button over the last few years, but as conditions improve, buyers will certainly see more choice and get a little bit more leverage.
Home ownership overall can be expected to dip slightly. That's because some people are waiting longer to buy.
And rentals are getting much easier to find at the moment, with monthly interest rates
continuing to drop to a 2-year low. That keeps a portion of the buyers on the sidelines for now. The bigger economy matters as well. And right now, the best case is no recession.
Growth might slow, but things should stabilize. That translates to less drama and more predictability.
Mortgage rates should hold steady, but with potential slight upward pressure later in the new year.
So think mostly in the mid 3% to low 4% range for fixed rates, with the variable rate around prime, which is around 4.45% today.
Be ready to have your lock-in strategy ready. So if you're selling, the big factors is condition, presentation, and realistic pricing still win.
Start too high and you risk giving buyers the advantage. If you're buying, the rate you lock into matters more than guessing the perfect month. Above all, understand that the best home will still move the quickest, and for anyone imagining timing out the market, well, good luck with that.
Timing in your life is always the best strategy. So bottom line for 26 equates to more listings, stable rates, and much better deal flow than we've seen in the recent past.
And if you want a data-driven plan specific to your home for your search, please message us. UPHouse Realty, we are here to help.